What's up, everyone? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. It depends with the time zone wherever you're coming from, guys. As you all know, today I'm feeling unwell, guys. I'm just feeling unwell. As you can see, even my eyes. I'm waking up. So here in our place here is in the morning, guys. I'm in the village, guys. Normal routine as normal, guys. As every day, this is what I do daily. I have to look after my chicks, my 1 day chicks I bought. I think you saw it in the previous video. You saw all my greetings to USA, Jamaica, Canada, Kenya, Tanzania, all over the world, guys. So here is a young farmer, guys. It's a young farmer. I'm just doing some farming here in the village, keeping some chicks, poultry farming also. Have a look. So I think I should be building a good structure for the chicks very soon, because this was for just an example. I just came with an idea of improvising such for them so that they cannot be taken away by the predators. So today I'm here with my chicks, so I'll just open for them. Yeah, you know, maybe someone could surprise me with something. Just opening for them here. So you see how these are my chicks, guys. Just opening for them. Have a look. They just know. Can have a look, guys. Huh? Come. Ja. See how they are enjoying. Guys. Go to my channel. Go to my amazing channel. It's iammarwa. iammarwa is IAMMWITA. Go to my amazing channel and have one watch more and more. So my chicks, guys. You see how they are enjoying. There they are. So go to this amazing channel and support me wherever you come. Like, guys, I could be doing my videos every day, but because of my phone has a problem with the battery issues. Also in the uploading, it's very slow, and the internet is very low, guys. So I think I should be doing something by the course of maybe this month, next month. Yeah. So guys, here in the village, this is how I do the normal routine. The normal routine, how it takes. Yeah, this is how I do it. Really enjoying. Yes, they are really enjoying here. Have a look how they are enjoying. Have a look. See here. They are enjoying. Wow. So I think I should be giving them. See how they are following me, guys. See how they are following me. Have a look how they are following me. Here they are. Can have a look how they are following me here, guys. Because they want food. Yes. So can have a look, guys. So please have a look. I'm calling some. Here they are. Just have a look. Can have see this. Yes. Can have a look, guys. This one. They are very cheap. Yes. They are very cheap. Can have a look. This one. They are really cheap. You see this one here, guys. This is the normal routine in the village with my chicks. Started with, they were just 1 day older, guys. They were 1 day older. So now they are big. Can have a look, guys. They are now big. It's the smallest one. This one is the smallest one. That one there is the smallest one. Oh. So guys, go to my channel, my amazing channel. Go by subscribing there to my amazing channel. It's iammarwa. Go subscribe there, share, like, comment, follow my videos for more and more. Guys, watch till the end. This the beginning in the village, here life in the village, guys. You all know. So let's support each other, guys. I don't have feeders. I don't have so many. So this was for just first time in my first project. So far 3 have been taken by predators. So that's why I decided to just create such like structure, but the house is there, but it's too big for them. So I should be building another house for them. So this is how they do feed here. So it's time for them to drink water here. They're just enjoying. I'm just looking after them so that no predator can harm them. Have a look. Yeah. There are more of them. Not only these chicks, there are others around. Let me check you whether there are others are the big ones. No, it seems the bigger ones have just gone inside the maze. So they normally come in this place to feed the bigger ones. Yeah, those are the small ones. So these are the smallest. When I do like that, they come. They know. See, some want to drink water there. So after there, they will go back to their room. So I should be putting water meanwhile, so that I can take them back here. So they are going back there. See how they are following me. See, and have a look how they are following. Guys, they are eating my leg. Hey, stop it. Go back. So guys, there they are. They have gone back to their positions. Have a look. They're somewhere there inside now. If it's for the first time you're watching this amazing channel in the village here, guys, this for my first project. Maybe second project is coming soon. So go by subscribing to my channel. It's iammarwa. Iammarwa is MWITA with capital letters, guys. Let's keep supporting each other, guys. I think I should be ending or winding up my video for now. So let's meet next time, guys. Same place maybe, or different place, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for your support, guys. For those who've been supportive to anything, guys, I really appreciate. Thanks a lot. Thanks, and be blessed, guys. So guys, I told you earlier, there might be challenges in life. So guys, after feeding now the chicks, so I think I have really dirtied my shirt. So guys, thank you for watching this amazing channel. I'm your host, iammarwa. So guys, for those who are keeping on supporting me, guys, to millions, 3k plus, 6k plus, guys, I really appreciate, and I say thanks a lot. So guys, I really need your support, guys, for that serious. I really need your support. Maybe in the village life, the support for the chicks, maybe that's what I can really say about. So you have seen this for the first time. I just took the chicks 1 day old, so now you can see how far they are. They really need food, they need vaccine, they need water and some stuff, and there are challenges also. So for me not posting videos, also I need to at least to make a change a bit, buy maybe a new phone or a camera, so that I could be editing my video in a good way, so that it can reach to my fans and for those who are following me and my supporters, guys. Thank you for watching this amazing. Keep showing love, keep supporting me, keep subscribing to my channel, guys. Thank you for everything, and be blessed.